So how is construction accounting software useful? Well, if you're a contractor and you're using QuickBooks and maybe you're doing 1 to 2 jobs a month and you just have this enormous, paper process or manual process, Excel-based process, or maybe you're simply a contractor that is growing. This QuickBooks has served you quite well for a many number of years, but you're getting into that 3, 4, 5 project a month, threshold, and you're also potentially doing some bigger jobs. Maybe you're moving from residential to commercial, those types of things. It's a wide variety of reasons why you might need a construction-specific solution. So why would a construction-specific solution be useful? Well, the number one thing is just simply job cost that you're not going to get in QuickBooks. The ability to automatically allocate your expenses and your materials, your time, all of that good stuff to a project against a budget and an estimate and all of that. And also have the ability to run project billings and things like that at once, so you're not having to do all of this redundant data entry. Job costing is probably the most obvious of all of the, usefulness benefits of a construction-specific solution. But you can kind of get down into the nitty-gritty of it too. Retainage is another really high-level one, both on the subcontract and the AR side. You're going to want the ability your system to have the ability to process retainage on both of those sides. And then getting really down into the nitty-gritty of it, maybe you're taking on some union work, or you became a union shop, or maybe you are running a certified payroll for the first time, you're doing some governmental work, that kind of thing. You're going to need a system that can handle that type of payroll. It's very important. I made another video with Lisa Hutt, regarding, workers' compensation, for instance, and that conversation stemmed into really the fact that, contractors who do payroll in-house are oftentimes more satisfied with their results and in their ability to report than contractors who don't. So those are kind of the obvious things of why a construction accounting system or a specific construction accounting system would be useful to you if you're a contractor. There's a slew of other things such as, just construction specific automations and things like lien waivers and, compliance and tracking, all of the good stuff that kind of nuts and bolts of a contracting business today. So if you know of anything that you have found that is super useful in your specific construction accounting solution, I'd like to know. Let me know down in the comments. I'd be glad to hear from you and I'll reply back. So, I appreciate your time today. Thank you for spending it with me. And as always, make it a great one.